Hi there, today I will show you how to import chat on Qwen AI. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your desired web browser. For me, it's Google. In Google search bar, you have to type in Qwen AI and you will get to this interface. Now to import chat, you have to be on the chat interface. You can see the icon of clip. Tap on it. It will direct you to your phone's files and you can select your desired chats to be uploaded. And you just have to tap on it. After uploading, Qwen AI will usually give you a preview of your imported chat. Take a moment to review it and make sure everything looks good. If it doesn't, confirm the import. Your chat is now ready to use, and that's how you import chat in Qwen AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.